Hello guys, welcome to a brand new edition of News Wrap Up on Orugo TV, where we bring you a potpourri of the major stories that made it to the headline this week. This time around, we'll have to start from somewhere, the northern part of Nigeria. This time around, we're starting from Kano, where the state government has said that the files that has corruption file that had indicted the former governor of the state, Alhaji Ganduje, who is now the chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), is missing. That the files got missing during the hunger protest. Meanwhile, the state government has gone ahead to file new charges against the former governor. It can be recalled that the former governor was at a time seen in a video which has been reported to be doctored, stuffing some dollars into his babariga. Then let's go back home. Let's go down to Abia State, where something sad had actually happened, where 11 persons had been killed in a very fatal road accident, and this is worrisome along Enugu Port Harcourt Road, Abia. It's worrisome because the accidents along that road had become too repetitive, and then people are beginning to get worried. Last Sunday it was also the same before the one that occurred on Wednesday. We call on the road maintenance agencies, the road safety corps, the Abia State, the ones from the Abia State, and every other bodies responsible to actually look into the causes of the incessant accidents on that road. May the soul of the departed rest in perfect peace. And we'll go to Anambra, where the state governor has been arm-twisted into conducting the local government election following the ruling by the Supreme Court. It can be recalled that Anambra State Government had not conducted the local government election since 2008 or thereabout, since 2008, yeah. Till today, the Anambra State people had not witnessed anything like a local government election. But all thanks to the Supreme Court ruling, the Anambra State Government, led by Professor Charles Soludo, will be conducting a local government election. And the Anambra State Independent Electoral Commission, ANSEC, had fixed September 28, 2024 for the date for the election, as the date of the election. Those who should contest should start warming up. Meanwhile, there has been criticism from some quarters and opposition parties that the election is too like it's too sudden, that the election came like the women of the Hebrew. And that, let's go straight to entertainment. A popular child actor who grew up to become an adult actor and of course a super producer, actor superstar Uchemba Williams has given some advice to young women. He said, husbands no cars, so now you want to use billing, kill them. Kill men. He has asked the young women, he advised young women to stop demanding from men things they cannot afford. For him, he said, what you no get no supposed to hungry you. If you disagree with him, I want to see a comment on drop your comment on the comment section. If you agree with him, also do same. And of course, we try to go international. At the international level, is being okay. Before we go international, let me do a kitty. Right? Okay. Of course, we go to the southwestern part of the country, where in Ekiti State, Omi Olori, in area A of Ekiti State, where a 12-year-old has stabbed two of his siblings to death. Wow. Oh, wow. Like, wow. The names of the deceased Tajuddin Adeiton and his brother, were stabbed to death, and it's been a very, very sad one. The 12-year-old has been remanded in a juvenile home in Ekiti State. Meanwhile, his lawyer is asking for bail. He was assuring the court that his client, the 12-year-old boy, will not jump bail. Sad. We do not know what's happening these days. On that basis, so stories like this are stories we only hear abroad. On that basis, we go abroad. We are a father of a popular Barcelona player and a Spain football star, Lamar, yeah, Lamir. That's the challenger. I can't remember the name. Cut. Pause. Stories like that, very sad. What happened in Ekiti will remain is a very, very sad one. Stories like that are only stories we hear abroad. On that basis, let's go abroad, where we bring you the story of the father of a popular Barcelona star, and of course, a star of the Spain football team, Spanish football team, Lamine Yamal, whose father was stabbed at a car park in El Mundo there, so the father of the superstar was walking his dog before he got into agreement with somebody, and he was stabbed, and he has been since rushed to the hospital. We pray peace reigns all over the world. And on that note, we come to the end of today's episode of News Wrap Up, where we bring you a compendium of most of the major stories that happened during the week. My name remains Frances Lisa Obunaya, but of course you can call me Tabitha. Please follow us on all social media handles at Origo TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Origo TV. See you some other time. Peace out.